Welcome to hell. Today we're making you Rice Krispie treats. Are you excited to learn how to do that? That one-step process
That's
kind of
not
thing?
that either. That's not that either. This is the winner. Here are the ingredients. Move. Everyone, move. Here they are.
Hey, we're actually going to teach you how to cook this time. Are you surprised?
This,
Then.
I don't like this.
Yeah, so that's what you get.
Megan is gonna die without them.
Get a pan.
We need a pan.
Get a pan.
Oh, this is too much, everyone.
Which one?
One that fits the ingredients. Cortana, how do I make Rice Krispie treats? Bitch ain't listening. 1 package of marshmallows or 4 cups of mini
Or 4
marshmallows.
packages of marshmallows.
4 packages marshmallows?
You're stealing all of it.
Guys, who do you ship us with? We just want to know now.
We're melting 3 tablespoons of butter. Megan just ate a block of butter. I don't actually need a cup. How do you like the kitchen, Bridget?
I don't. It's too stressful.
I think it's all Megan's fault.
Like a captain.
Hey, listen, everybody. Nathaniel has something to say now. Lay me a beat, Sonny. No, I want a real one.
Oh, how about Bridget's beats? Oh. Freestyle.
Stop cooking.
I cook every day that I wake up.
I cook every day I wake up. Not the ones I don't. I don't do that.
If I don't wake up, you better know I'm not cooking.
I don't cook because I get
My
in the
name
kitchen.
is Bridget, and I like to dance. I like to party and to poop my pants.
He just beats us. What are me and Nathaniel doing?
We're
Looking
partying.
pretty. I look so gross.
Okay, this eye looks awesome.
Great.
That looks gross.
Entertain! Entertain! Entertain!
That was disgusting. Y'all. I don't believe that.
I'm so fancy.
You sure are. That's burning hot. That will burn your skin with hotness.
Like my body. What are you marshmallowing, Sonny?
Dicks. That's how you make Rice Krispie
done.
treats. We'll talk to you when we're eating them. She has a degree. She used it really well.
SFA if you can't read.
Alright.
They sure taste like Rice Krispie treats. This one was a win.
Real one.
Woo! Can't mess that up.
Thanks, y'all,
Next
for another
time.
episode. Bye.